Hey friends, I have a quick and easy Halloween project to share today. I grabbed one of these felt pennant banners that Couture used to have in the shop. Unfortunately, they're no longer available, but I have a bunch of them to use up. So I grabbed my watercolor dot, let's see, what is that? The watercolor dot pattern transfer, and I'm just using the backer paper to keep the transfer from sticking to my desk. Grab some Wisteria chalk paste. Needed to add some distilled water and stir that around a bit because it was getting to the end and getting a little bit dry. But once I did that, I spread out the chalk paste along my pennant banner, and you'll see here once I lift it up, it has this fun distressed pattern on there. Love that. I love the purple. I'm loving purple with Halloween. Purple and green and orange. I just love it. So there I am lining up the dot pattern so I can finish paste or chalking on that pennant banner. I'm going to dry this a little bit. And then I'm going to grab some orange chalk paste. Let's see. I used peach cobbler. But first I'm actually going to chalk this fun boo pattern on here, and this is from the Boo Basics transfer. So I first chalked the bee. I was originally thinking I was going to do each one in a different color, but then I decided to do the entire thing in the black, and I love how that came out. Just needed to touch up a few spots before I pull my transfer up. So cute. So now I'm grabbing the peach cobbler chalk paste, and I'm actually just going to paint that right along the edge of this pennant banner. I could have watered down my chalk paste a little bit, but I didn't. I just went with it. Just wanted to add another little color on there, just to bring in some of the orange from Halloween. So once I dried the chalk paste on here, I noticed that my little spider needed a little bit of a touch-up. I didn't notice that when I pulled up my transfer, I didn't get it in all the little tiny spaces on his legs. So I'm just going to do a little touch-up with some black chalk paste, and then I'm going to dry it. And then I'm going to add some ribbon on it because I love adding ribbon. It just makes everything super cute. So I hope you enjoyed this project. Be sure to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.